nothing quite like the freedom of the great outdoors and time to explore it with family and friends. We think that's an experience everyone deserves, so we're constantly rewriting the rules of off-road adventure. From hard work to pure play, we're dedicated to helping you make the most of every moment. That's why we've used our relentless commitment to innovation to build the world's most legendary off-road vehicles. We fundamentally reinvented the ATV with the original Sportsman. We set a new standard for off-road utility with the arrival of Ranger. We started the side-by-side sport revolution with the launch of Razor. And now, we're doing it again. Introducing the latest game changer from the world leader in off-road innovation. The all-new Sportsman Ace 4x4. Sportsman Ace is a bold new off-road experience that lets you tackle the trails with total confidence. You sit comfortably inside the vehicle, securely surrounded with full cab frame, seatbelt, side nets, and intuitive automotive-style controls. No worries, no questions, just get in and go. To have fun on the trail, you have to be comfortable. That's what Sportsman Ace is all about. Getting in is as easy as sitting down, and the seat you land in has it all. It's a high-back bucket that's bolstered for added comfort. Adjust the seat slider, set the tilt steering, and you're ready to ride from sunup to sundown. The longer you spend on the trail, the more you'll appreciate the smooth riding, independent suspension. And whatever your destination, you'll love having everything you need when you get there, thanks to the ample storage of the sealed front box and rear cargo bed. Hardcore fun is what you get when comfort and confidence come together to create an exhilarating new riding experience. With its innovative ride-in design and responsive handling, Sportsman Ace lets you carve corners like you're on rails. The 32-horse dual overhead cam ProStar engine matches the output of our legendary Sportsman 500. And Ace combines that power with high ground clearance and true on-demand all-wheel drive to transform obstacles into opportunities. Confident, comfortable, fun. Sportsman Ace, a whole new kind of off-road experience. Outdoor adventure is calling. It's time to get in and go.